Hello everyone, Frosty901 here. What I have for you today is something new to me. It's called a Commando Lock. It's made in the USA, at least that's what it says here. Key takes a little jiggling because the previous owner picked on it a lot, I think. At least that's what he told me. Let me see if I can do it this way, get gravity to help me. No. Let's try the other key. There we go. Anyway, the key's not what's important. It does have ball bearings in it. You can see one there, and I felt down the other side there, and I can feel one in there. So it does have two ball bearings. Oh, one more thing. One thing that sets this apart from the other locks in its class, and when I first looked at it, I thought it was just like a Master Lock clone. But if you look at that first pin, I don't know if you can see that. It is definitely serrated. And I do believe every pin in this lock is serrated. I've opened it a few times, and sometimes it'll open up in about, a minute or less. And other times I've sat here for 5 minutes till I got an open. So it's a fun little pick. Definitely worth checking out if you ever get your hands on one. It is not guttable, so I won't be able to show you the guts of this lock. I wish I could, but it just doesn't come apart, sadly. Yeah, I'm pretty sure every pin in here is serrated. Easing off tension a little bit. There we go. Let's drop a pin. Oh, that was too many. We dropped like 3 or 4 there. Perfect. I have found with this lock, if you just lift everything as high as you can, and then let one or two pins drop, you can just kind of go back in there and just barely tickle one of those pins and it'll open on up. But it does not seem to be the case this time. Like I said, this one's pretty unpredictable. It's like a new pick every time. Oh, that felt good. There we go. Yeah. It's definitely a new pick every time. But yeah, I highly recommend this. As far as what I would use it for, other than picking obviously, this would actually be better than a master lock for, you know, low to mid security things, like if you're just locking up a tool shed or something like that, a gate, you know, like your side fence or something. This would do the trick. It is not an easy pick. Serrated pins all through the core. Not a bad lock. I'm gonna have to look it up to see what they go for, but I'm kind of impressed with it. I'm gonna pick it one more time just to show you how different each pick can go. Actually, let me make sure we're locked up. It likes light tension, but it likes it a little rough in the core. But yeah, that sounded a little dirtier than I meant it. But yeah, you guys, definitely give one of these a shot. You ever see one cheap, pick it up. Fun little pick. Anyway, that's the Commando Lock. Thanks for watching. Everybody have a great day. Now on to this 83 over here. But I'll see you guys later.